Hi, Sophie. On lesson 52, what we're doing is just covering more places. And if you look on the bottom of page 263, the place values there go all the way to the 100 billions and then to the, let's see, 100, yes, all the way to the 100 billions. And it's always, when they're naming them, it's ones, tens, hundreds, comma, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, comma, and then it starts with the billions. So it's always the ones, the tens, and the hundreds going from right to left. So on page 264, it says, which digit shows the number of 100 billions in, okay, it's already got the commas there. We have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 0, 0. So the 100 billions, that's thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions. So that would be the 9 is in that place. All right, in example 2, it says, what is the value of 2 in the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? How original. Okay, so the 2, here it's right here. So we've got ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. This is just the millions, isn't it? Okay, so, and it wants to know the value of it. Since it's in the millions, then it would be 2 million. Okay, and then, what is the value? Oh, so it's, the answer is A. Okay, then next one says use words. So when it says to use words, we're going to write it and we're going to put commas in it, because that's just going to make it easier. 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 0, 0. Okay, so put your commas in. Start at the right and move over 3 places. So this makes it easier to recognize, because remember, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So this is the millions. So that would be 1 million, comma. This number right here is 345. So we write it like that. 345. And those are the thousands. So we write 1,000. Then this last number we write, and that is 200. So put the commas in, and that'll make it much easier to see what the number actually is. Okay, the next one says use digits, so this is the opposite. Use digits to write 134 billion. So once I know there's billions, there's got to be 3 here for millions, 3 here for thousands, and then 3 here going down to the ones. So that'll help us fill it in. So it's 134 billion, 652 million, so that goes here, 700,000. 700,000, and there's nothing over here, so we put zeros for those numbers. So that's why it's going to be really helpful to put all of those little lines in here to know what the number is actually going to be. Okay, next, this is actually the last one. It says write this in expanded notation. So for expanded, we need to know what the place value is. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions. So that's going to be 2 times 1 million. Plus, this is in the 100,000, so that's 5 times 100,000. And since the rest of them are zeros, we don't have to write anything else. If we had something else, then we'd go ahead. This would, in this place would be times 10,000. In this place would be times 1,000, and so on and so on. Okay, so that's lesson 52. You do the evens on that. Lesson 53 is perimeter. So the perimeter is simply the measure all the way around a shape. Okay? So this first one, remember in a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. So they tell us this is 2, we automatically know that's 2. They tell us this is 3, we automatically know that's 3. So the perimeter, we add them all up. So 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So that's 5 plus 5 is 10, and the units were centimeters, so it's just plain centimeters. Okay, up at the top of the page, it shows you some pictures of regular polygons. Regular just means they have all equal sides and all equal angles. Okay, so if it's an equilateral triangle or a regular triangle, then you know that all three sides are the same. So if they just give you one, like they do in this one, it said, what is the perimeter of this regular triangle? Remember, regular means sides are all the same. So that's 12 inches, that's 12 inches, and that's 12 inches as well. Okay, so to find the perimeter, we just add them all up, or we multiply. It's either 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is the same thing as saying 3 times 12. So 3 times 12 is, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3. So the perimeter is 36, and those were inches, so that's just inches. Okay, the last thing in this lesson is it's just showing you things about a circle. So if you have a line that goes all the way through the circle, and it goes through the center, that's called the diameter. Okay, half of the diameter is a radius, which is all, those are all, these would be the same. That's an R, and R is radius. So it's half of the diameter. And then this is called the center of the circle. And the distance all the way around, we don't call it perimeter of a circle. We call it circumference. Okay, so it's just a fancy word for perimeter of the circle. All right. Okay, so on that lesson, you're doing the odd numbers. And if you will just email me, please. At that, okay, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.